bind off purlwise is similar to the bind off knitwise, only instead of making knit stitches and pulling them off your needles, you're making purl stitches and pulling them off your needles. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. Actually, I'm on the knit side of my work, but I'm still going to bind off purlwise. So what you do is you purl the first 2 stitches. Sorry, let me actually grab a hold of my needle a little better. Okay, so purl 1 loosely, 2, most bind offs really need to be done loosely. And now, because your yarn is in front when you purl, you have to pull the first stitch over the second stitch, but you have to do it from behind, so that you don't catch your working yarn. It's a little fiddly. It's definitely something I'm better at doing up close to me. So, purl, and then pull the first stitch over the second stitch. Okay, there we go. Now there's only 1 stitch on my right hand needle. I'm going to purl again and then pull the first stitch over the second stitch. I'm going to keep doing that all the way across. And the last one, here we go. There you have it. And then to finish off, you can just clip your end and then pull it through that last loop. But you can see that if I do that purl, bind off purlwise on the knit side, it gives this kind of almost like braided top look. And then here it is on the back side of my work, on the purl side of my work. Okay, I did the bind off purlwise on the knit side of my work. There you go.